Hi, I'm Mike Hensley with the Paulding County Water System. I'm the operations manager. We're going to go over some ways where you can check to find out if you have a leak on your service line. We're going to take a look at the meter and we're going to show you what is the county's responsibility and what is the homeowner's responsibility. So the county is responsible for the main line from the main out in the road to the meter. And that's going to cover this part of the meter this way. From the fitting that goes inside this brass all the way to the house is the customer's responsibility. So on this meter, what we read is the numbers that have the dash over the top of them. Paulding County reads to the 100 spot. So when you got your bill, this would read 781. 2 spots to the right of that is a decimal, and every number to the right of that is going to be the tenths and the 100 spot. So a tenth of a gallon every time the first number turns over, and a 100th of a gallon every time it turns over all the way to the right. So this is the valve to the house. So if you were looking for a leak outside, you would cut this valve all the way to the right, cut it off, and then you would go back up to the meter and see if that dial was still turning. If water's moving through this meter, it will have a little plus in the circle. If you're looking for a leak on a manual meter, and this is the kind of meter that you have, then you look for this dial to spin. That's gonna let you know that water's moving through the meter. The numbers that we would read on this meter, since we read in the hundreds, we would go to the first black number, which would make the reading on the bill 9738. If it is still turning, water's still flowing through the meter, and that's going to mean that the leak is from here to that meter. You've isolated that section. When you open this valve back up, if it wasn't turning, you open this valve back up and see if it starts to turn. That would mean that the leak is somewhere inside the house. You can find useful information on our website at www.paulding.gov. Under the Departments tab, drop-down menu, click Water Systems, or you may call customer service. If you need any further assistance, please call us at 770-222-6868, and we'd be happy to help you.